Good morning, student. Student here, Gopal Srivastav. I am taking your, science. I am your science teacher, and today, student, I will explain about the soil profile, chapter number 6. So all of you, student, get ready to read and learn chapter number 6. Name of the chapter is soil. So open your book, all of you. Open. Class 4, subject science. Today's my topic is soil profile. Student, soil profile refer to the layers of soil. Layers of soil. Yesterday in your online classes I have already discussed the various layer of the soil. Okay, so mainly 3 layer. Some plants are grow on the upper part, that is the O horizon. This is very thin layer where only small plants and grasses are grown, and they are rich of humus are found because of many leaves are fallen down from the trees, and they are decomposed to make the humus and very nutrients value. Below this layer is called A horizon, and below this is called B horizon, and below B this is called C horizon. Okay, you can also call that horizon, means this is the A horizon, also called topsoil, subsoil, B horizon called, and C horizon is also called that bedrock. Okay, now student, we will study one by one about the A horizon, B horizon and C horizon. So A horizon is located below the B horizon. A horizon is located below the B horizon. It is composed by the minerals and decomposed of the organic matter. So its color is dark in color. Minerals plus decomposed organic matter. Okay, so student, there are many plants and fruits, vegetables grow in the A horizon. Okay, so this is very good from the plant growing. And B horizon, this is the below the A horizon. Okay, this layer has the clay soil, also dark color, but there is no humus. In A horizon there is rich humus because they are minerals and decomposed of organic matter. Now student, it is layer below the A horizon, and it is lighter in color, not very dark, it is lighter color. LIGH, lighter color. And C horizon, also called bedrock. This is below the B horizon. So there is no any roots here are found in this horizon. It is only the layer of the pieces of rock. PIE, pieces of rocks. This type. This is light grey color and this is dark color. Okay. Now student, if any difficulties, any problem in the soil profile, you can ask to me in my personal mobile number. Now your next point is that is the concept check. So I am also taking the book for the reading the concept check question and answer. Okay student, don't write it in your any copy, means homework copy or fair work copy. Concept check. Concept check. So take the pencil and eraser, sharpener, and just you will tick only. Okay. Question number first. Choose the correct answer. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. The process of weathering leads to the formation of. Student, weathering of rock for the formation of the soil. So rocks, minerals, salt, all is incorrect. Soil is correct answer. First D. Tick on the soil. Second, the particles of soil having largest space between them are. Which soil, student? Sand, clay, C, silt, and D, loam. So the largest space between them, that is the sand. Sandy soil have the largest space found between them. So answer is A, sand. Tick this. Third, silty soil is suitable to grow. Silty soil means the medium size of the particle. Cabbage, pomegranate, turnip, all of these. So cabbage also suitable, pomegranate also suitable, turnip also suitable. So the correct option is D, all of these. Third, D, all of these. Okay. And now fourth question. The layer of soil rich in nutrients and organic matter is. In which layer, student? The nutrient value and organic matter is very richest form. That is not in O horizon. This is the A horizon, not in B horizon, not C horizon. So A horizon means the correct option is B. Tick on the B. A horizon. zone. To complete it in your book. Take it with the help of pencil, don't use the pen, student. Concept change, this is the given on the page number 61. Page number 61. Now your next topic is in your book, that is soil erosion. Soil erosion. You know, student, the topmost layer of soil contains large amount of the humus, nutrient values, which is very richest form for suitable of the growing of the plants. When this soil removed by the any agents like the flowing water, heavy wind or human activities, so these are converted into the barren and infertile. Okay, so barren and infertile and dry. So student, I am going to rub this. Your next topic is soil erosion. Soil erosion. Okay. Student, the topmost layer of soil, when these soil are removed by the any agent, this is called soil erosion. Means the erosion of topmost soil by the wind, water and air is called soil erosion. Okay student, so soil erosion make the soil land dry and infertile and barren. So agent soil erosion of top soil by wind, water, human activities, is called soil erosion. So the phenomena by which the topmost soil eroded by the various agents like the wind, water and human activities is called soil erosion. So soil erosion make the fertile soil into dry, infertile and barren. So no plants can grow in infertile or barren soil. So it is very necessary to conserve it. How it conserved? It is conserved by the various methods. Suppose planting more trees, planting small grasses and making dam and embankments on the rivers. So these are some activities some important activities by which we can prevent the soil erosion. Okay, student. So soil erosion increase when? How soil erosion increase? Increase when heavy rainfall. Heavy means rain. Heavy rainfall and how strong wind. By strong wind, by deforestation and wrong method of farming. Wrong method of the farming. These are the some activities by which soil erosion takes place. Okay. Now the next topic, what is soil conservation? Soil conservation. Soil conservation is preventing of soil from erosion. Preventing of soil from erosion is called soil erosion. So the prevention of soil from erosion is called soil conservation. Okay, the prevention of soil from the erosion is called soil conservation. It is done by planting more tree on barren land. Second, right farming practices. And student, right, and making dams and embankment on river. Okay, and terrace farming. So there are so many activities by which we can prevent the erosion of soil. How planting more trees on the barren land? Because plants have many roots, root hairs, and branches have root hairs. They bind up the soil very firmly, by which plant can stay in right position. Because these soil bind the root hair of the plants, which is firmly upright on the land. Okay, so proper practice of growing crops. Proper practicing of the growing crops is also prevent the erosion of soil. Okay, proper. So do not more ploughing. More ploughing makes the soil erosion also. Do not done the overgrazing of the farming land area, because so many grasses are binded the soil, which prevent the soil erosion. Okay, so student, it is found that about 500 years 500 years to form only 1 inch of to form only 1 inch of soil. Only 1 inch of soil. Soil must be prevented from being eroded. So it is very necessary to control the soil erosion, because it takes place 500 years to form only 1 inch of the soil on the earth surface. Okay student, now the last topic, that is the concept check. After completing this topic, there is the next concept check, which is given on the page number 62. I am also taking the book for the explanation of explaining the question answer. Page number, I think 62. Please wait. Okay, concept check, page number 62. Some factors are given below. Write A if it is causes erosion, and C it is supports conservation of soil. Okay student, suppose heavy rain. First, heavy rain, you will feel heavy rain. Due to heavy rain, soil erosion takes place due to the heavy rain. Since E. And 2, plantation of tree, this is the formation of conservation of soil. So fill in the C. Third, construction of dam, so it is the conservation of soil. Four, flood, it is the causes of soil erosion, so soil erosion E. Fifth, cutting down trees, causes of soil erosion E. Six, correct farming method control the soil erosion, so fill the C. 7, grazing animals, causes of soil erosion E. 8, afforestation means planting more trees which prevent the soil erosion, means conservation of soil. Write down this student in your test book and write down today's homework. All concept check of chapter 6 and read it properly. Okay student, write down homework. Learn all concept check of chapter 6 and read it properly. Okay student, thank you. Have a nice day. Your class is over. Okay student, thank you. Write down this.